Alright. My leg feels like absolute shit, so if I look like I'm in a weird position every time I'm opening these, that's why. I had a horrible cramp and it completely strained my muscle. Anyways, I got like fucking 4 revenge packages all at once on my front door today, so I thought, I thought it'd just be a good idea just to open them and show you guys what I got. This is the first one I got, and I'm assuming this is the t-shirt because that's like the smallest thing I ordered. Probably gonna need a knife, so I'm gonna hobble on over 1 second. Fuck. This is not even funny, guys. Where the fuck? Oh, this was... Where's my knife? 1 second. I might cut this all out. I'm not sure though. Bro, I'm pissed. Where's my knife? Oh, fuck. Well, I don't want to use that, bro. Fuck. How do I lose my knife? Oh, I got scissors better. Fuck. Ow. I want to try and sit up for y'all, but it might be really fucking hard. Okay. Alright. Ow. Okay. I just put you right there. Fucking unbox this. Probably just rip this open and not think about it. Alright. Okay. So I got a t-shirt and I'll take it out 1 second. Fuck, this video is gonna be a mess. I already think. Alright. Fuck. Okay. So this one I thought was super fucking sick. I'm probably gonna wear this to like special occasions, but this is the spider tee. And also, if I squint, you guys, I'm literally blind without my glasses, so that's why. And then that on the back. I think paid only like fucking $60 from a guy on Grailed for this. And I saw that and I was like, that's such a good deal for a revenge tee. So that's the first one. Probably put them back in the bag when they're done, or when I'm done. Jesus Christ. Alright. I have zero idea what hoodie this is, so we're gonna see. I mean, I know what I bought, but I just don't know which one I'm opening. Oh, it was double bagged. That's nice. I like how I said I need scissors, but this one, they seem so easy to open, you know? Damn, this is like packaged 3 times. Yo, okay, not even fucking joking. I got a free fucking t-shirt. Well, I don't know. What? I'm sorry. I'm literally geeking out because all I did was fucking buy this rhinestone hoodie, and I got a free fucking t-shirt. I'm probably gonna keep that in the bag. I probably won't show you guys what that one is. I hate to be the buzzkill, but yeah, I didn't expect that. I'm gonna message the seller. That's really fucking awesome. All right. Now it's time to show you guys the hoodie. This was the Nirvana Revenge hoodie. It's not a collab or anything, but it obviously Garrett made the design look like the Nirvana logo. I thought that was fucking sick. And I can't call myself a fucking whole ass Nirvana fan or anything, but I thought this was really cool. That's sick. That was really cool. He got me a fucking free shirt. That's awesome. Alright. Time for this one. I'm gonna try to go fast, guys, because my fucking leg hurts. Oh, fuck yes. This is like my favorite one I got. Alright. This is the Trippie Redd Revenge collab. And I gotta admit, I don't really listen to Trippie Redd anymore. I used to a lot, but when I saw this hoodie, I couldn't pass it up. This is like so fucking sick. It gives me like Revenge Archive vibes. Like, I love this hoodie. All right, so this is the Orange Arc hoodie. It has Revenge in the Creator's hands on the side. I'm not doing the best job at showing you guys, but fuck, dude, my leg hurts. I've said that like 700 times. And this is the back. That's the fucking, it's just Trippie Redd smoking a blunt, I'm pretty sure. That is gonna be fucking worn a lot, I can tell, honestly. Oh my god. And then this is like the most annoying package to open, so I'm gonna have to like stand up for a second. Ugh. Okay. I opened all those other ones, so this one has to be the Fuck Vetmints crew neck that I bought. This is a really, one of my like most anticipated items, to be honest. I really liked the Fuck Vetmints hoodie that they released in like 2018 or something like that. So this is basically just it, but a crew neck. And this is probably like not the least newest condition one I bought, because the other ones were like dead stock. But nonetheless, oh my fucking god, that's in great condition. Hold on, sorry, y'all can't see. Check that shit out. My brother, when I bought this, he said it gave like Kingdom Hearts vibes, to be honest. But yeah. And that was all the pieces in my revenge haul. A lot of fucking, not gonna lie, a lot of fucking money I spent. But I don't care. I fucking love this brand ever since. Like, obviously, a lot of people started liking Revenge. It came through X, because X was like the one of the most original artists for Revenge back in the day. But regardless of however they fell out, I still love this brand. And yeah, that's why I'm so willing to kind of spend money on it, because it is like investments. These types of things get rarer and rarer. There's something that never restocks. So, I mean, sometimes Garrett will restock certain things, but these are the types of things that just aren't ever going to come back. So, yep, that was my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. My fucking leg hurts. I said that for the fucking, I don't know how many times I've said it in this video. But thank you guys for watching. Sorry if it was kind of all over the place. If it was, I think I'm just being insecure. But peace out.